how to remake crayons into awesome shapes using the mold making technique. Pick your shape, add a little bit of vegetable oil as a mold release, and put it into a mold box. We're using ComposiMold Flex, a reusable mold making material that can be melted in the microwave. We pour it over our object and let that cool to solidify. The flexibility of ComposiMold Flex makes it easier to pull the crayons out of the mold without damaging it. The hardest part of the process is getting the wrapper off of the crayons. After the fact, we thought about the idea of just melting the crayons on the container and the wrappers would fall off of it. We're using a syringe to make it easier to put the wax into the mold.
The parts that are more difficult, where you're afraid that you're going to break off components like the Rhino Legs here, what we ended up doing is cutting it down the sides to make it into a two-part mold. Then we also added a third part of the mold by cutting out the part in between the legs.
ComposiMold is a reusable mold making material, so after we make this shape with the crayon wax, we can remelt it and make another shape. Now there, after we pulled out the rhinoceros, we clean up the edges a little bit and we have our final shape. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and we hope to see you soon.